Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Hello? Hello? Oh, this isn't the phone? It's called a boat. B-O-T-E boat. Yeah. Oh, hey, speaking of spelling, the other day my friend told me that the word icy was really hard to spell. And I'm trying it out, I-C-Y. Yeah, you guys are in for a long 3 hours. Hi there. You sit right over here next to the sacrificial altar. You like barbecue? Or not? That's fine. Baseball fan. You had a bunch of baseball players in here yesterday. It's about sportsmanship. Yeah, it's a lot of this. Alright, well, wave goodbye to those animatronics on the dock. Yeah, so lifelike. Alright, welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise, where our jokes aren't just good. They're good enough. My name is Justin. I'll be your skipper for as far as we can get. The best skipper in the world left right before me, so you got stuck with me. I'm sorry. A few safety reminders as I drive this boat backwards. Please remain seated, and please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, and elbows inside the boat at all times. And parents, watch your beautiful children. Also watch your other children. If anyone drops anything in the water, raise your hand. I'll raise my two. Good both way. Goodbye to yourself forever. Please remain seated, everyone. Wow. Right in the middle of my safety spiel. Okay. Alright, you just entered the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year. Or 2 days in Amazon Rainforest Prime. On your right-hand side, that's a temple of the Forbidden Eye. Right beyond it, temples A through H. Oh, that's a Himalayan tiger. Yeah, we call him that because Himalayan over there. Sometimes Himalayan over there. Yeah, Himalayan inside the boat, panic. Those three up there, I went to high school with them. This statue of an elephant looking for a contact lens means you're headed to a sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. Yeah, go ahead and take all the photos you want, folks. They all got their trunks on. No, but seriously, if you get me in the photo, don't show my mom. She thinks I'm a nurse. That's Bertha. She's been standing in that waterfall for about 67 years now. Yeah, you can tell because she has so many wrinkles. I know, she probably needs to visit a pachydermatologist. You know why elephants have so many wrinkles? Yeah, there's no irons in the jungle, that's why. Yeah, that's just to show you. If you stand in a shower for that long, you turn into an elephant. You know why I tried doing that once? Almost worked. Just kidding, I don't shower. You know why you don't see any elephants hiding in the trees? Yeah, they're just good at it. Hey, fun fact, elephants grow up to 4 feet while humans grow up to 2 feet. Yeah, it takes a while, right? Yeah. Anyway. Oh, danger! Let's get closer. Alright, that's what I set up with my last relationship. Looks like a pack of gorilla just took over Dr. Chernovsky's camp over here. Look at that, everyone. You can tell they got excited about the supplies. Yeah, but they flipped over the Jeep. Alright, well, this is where I like to point out some of my favorite plants. Now, folks, if you look to your left, you're going to miss completely what's going on your right. Wow, there's something you don't see every day. I do. Over. Oh, that's Schweitzer Falls. It's named after famous explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. We'll go over that one later. We just turned down the Nile River. It was just way too loud. This is the longest river in Africa. It goes down for Niles and Niles and Niles. And folks, if you don't believe me, well, yeah, you're in denial. Hey, that's an African bull elephant. You know, you can tell that's an African bull elephant. It's because you're in Africa. Come on, pay attention. Hey, Bobo. Watch this. Bobo, speak. Now in Japanese. Eat a snake. We are now entering the African veldt. It holds up Africa's pants. A lot of cool animals out here today. We got some zebra in the front. Next to the zebra, we got wildebeest. Behind the wildebeest, those tall things, those are trees. Went here like zebra. Who likes zebra? Yeah, alright. Yeah, don't look over there. That one's dead. You know what? Someone told me that zebra were rare. No, that one's a medium well done. Wow, look at that, everyone. Isn't that crazy? You guys see what I'm seeing? There must be like 100 rocks in that beach. Oh, that's Skipper Felix. I wonder what happened to his boat. Oh dear! If you look in between the bushes over there, you see that? Yeah, I see absolutely nothing. Oh no. It looks like Skipper Felix's boat got capsized by a bunch of charging hippo. Yeah, don't worry, only take cash. You know when they wiggle their ears like that, they're really cold? Yeah, they must have hypothermia. This is really dangerous. I'm gonna try to scare them off. Hey, please, cover your ears! That didn't work. I'm gonna try something else. Yeah, that always scares them. You know, they just try to attack us and they change their minds. What a bunch of hypocrites. Alright, well, this is where I like to name the plants. It's Kevin. It's Claudia. Hola, Claudia. You know, someone told me that my job was so simple, a monkey could do it. Can you believe that? I know how to like steer the boat, tell some facts about the jungle, but really a monkey. Alright, let's go chimpanzee, okay? Look, I have no time to tell you the difference between a chimp and a monkey. It's a really long tail. Like, if I want to buy a boat, we got 1/2 off. The bamboo out here in the jungle grew up to 6 stories high. Yeah, I personally think it's 7, but that's another story. Oh, you know what, the locals, they call those margarine flies, because they can't believe it's not butterfly. Yeah, I still don't know what entomology means. It really bugs me. Anyone here like butterfly? Who likes butterfly? Yeah? You know, they're not what they used to be. Caterpillar. And now, folks, the mummy ball that I'm waiting for is the 8th wonder of the world. It's the backside of water! O2H! 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 Yeah! I like to tell chemistry jokes periodically. I actually have one about oxygen and potassium. It's okay. Just ahead on your left. Hey, look everyone, that's the front side of rock. Yeah, one of our boulder attractions. Please don't take it for granted. I know it's really quite marvelous, right? Yeah, my sediments exactly. Come on, folks, these are rock solid. I'm gonna stop here. I think I took a wrong turn in high school. I put my guidance counselor. Oh no, piranha! Oh no, these are hungry piranha. I don't know how they swam here from Hungary. Up ahead is a python. Python grew up to 3.14159 meters long. You know, someone tried to tell me that was a boa, but it doesn't have feathers. Well, folks, we dodged a piranha, we dodged a python, but we couldn't dodge a gift shop. Yeah, the monkey on the left is just trying to set a world record. The one taking photos, well, we tried paying her. Yeah, but she wanted to work for exposure. Yeah, hey, you think this is monkey business? You're wrong. Elephant's in charge. Alright, well, you just made it through the world famous Jungle Cruise! Yeah, I'm glad it's over too. As you approach the dock, please remain seated. Please keep your hands on feet, legs, and elbows inside the boat at all times. Yeah, you don't want to be stuck in between the dock and the boat. That's a lot of peer pressure. Yeah, raise your hand if you don't like peer pressure. Come on, raise your hand. They're raising their hand. Everyone else raise your hand. Come on, raise your hand. You know you want to do it. Raise your hand. Thank you. Alright, folks. Well, you know what? I do want to thank you all for being so polite today. And keeping quiet during my jokes so everyone can hear me. We heard a lot of animals today. We heard elephant. We heard lion. I personally heard a lot of crickets. But you know what, though? If you enjoyed yourself today, my name is Skipper Justin. I spell that H-E-L-P-M-E. If you didn't enjoy yourself, well, my name's Jose the Parrot, and this has been the Tiki Room. Oh, my siestas keep getting shorter and shorter.
Your hands in the boat, please!
Hands in the boat, everyone. Hands in the boat. Thank you. Alright, folks. Well, you know, if you thought this cruise was strange, well, look across the street. That's a little bizarre. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Waka waka. Get out. Sorry, that was rude. Please get out. If you're on the jungle side, I just from the back, you'd be held up by the rear of the photo. It is weird. Watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails. Watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails. Oh, always remember, an apple a day keeps a doctor away.
Oh yeah,
if you
it
throw
does.
it hard enough.